Starting around 21 walk 2024 Dogelon Mars sort of is exchanging at $1.05 in terms of its OS rate with a value change of 75% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. Elon in every practical sense has an all things considered complete market cap of $135,137,780 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,785,370 in a sort of huge manner. This sort of makes Dogelon Mars Elon essentially positioning at 394 in the cryptographic money market, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars most certainly be extremely worth in 2024 incredibly? Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024? Will Elon cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, which especially is very huge? These are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future, or so they essentially thought. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation 2024 as per the Dogelon Mars figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Elon value sort of is supposed to commonly cross a really normal value level of $9.35, the normal especially least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to in every practical sense be $1,834, or so they basically thought. Besides, Elon can arrive at a really most extreme value level of $9.39, which is genuinely critical. Elon value figure walk 2024. The Dogelon Mars estimate for walk 2024 expects that the Elon may by and large arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $26 with a fundamentally least cost of around $1,023. Discussing the extremely normal value Elon can essentially stretch around $26 for spring, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Dogelon Mars cost by and large is figured to especially arrive at an in every way that really matters most minimal cost of $0.25, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Elon cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.28 with a very normal expected cost around $0.27, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars Elon value gauge May 2024. The Dogelon Mars Elon value for May 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.27, while the most extreme determined value sort of is around $0.29. The very normal cost for Elon most certainly is basically anticipated to basically reach $0.11 in May 2024, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Elon value gauge June 2024. The Dogelon Mars estimate for June 2024 expects that the Elon may for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.00 with an essentially least cost of around $net in a huge manner. Discussing the truly normal value Elon can in every practical sense stretch around $0.28 for June, showing the way that the Elon cost could sort of arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.28 with a very normal expected cost around $0.37, which is genuinely critical. Elon value figure July 2024. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for July 2024 expects that the Elon may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.32 with a fundamentally least cost of around $0.02, which for the most part is very huge. Discussing the typical value Elon can for the most part stretch around $0.20 for July in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation August 2024. The cost for Dogelon Mars in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.03 and $0.33, which sort of is genuinely critical, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.31, showing how in the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars in every practical sense be truly worth in 2024? Dogelon Mars Elon value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Dogelon Mars cost truly is conjecture to especially arrive at a most reduced cost of $0.31, which certainly is genuinely huge. The Elon cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost and $0.35 with the really normal expected cost around $0.32, showing how the genuinely normal cost for elon in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to by and large reach dollars and down twos and said in May 2024, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars Value Gauge October 2024. The truly normal cost of Dogelon Mars elon could in a real sense go to dollars and theory toward the finish of October 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Elon could especially be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of dollars and pioneers C6 with a truly least expected cost of dollars and $31, which certainly is very huge. Dogelon Mars Value Gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the really most extreme cost for Dogelon Mars could fundamentally stretch around dollars and genuinely, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of elon in November 2024 especially is dollars and $3 with an in every way that really matters normal cost of dollars and pesos 34. Further appearance how elon could especially be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of dollars and 36 with the very least expected cost of dollars and pesos 31 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars elon value conjecture December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of dollars and $10.35, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of dollars and $39 and a truly least of dollars and $34 in a truly significant manner. Dogelon Mars truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 671% in its kind of current worth, or so they sort of thought. Assuming we certainly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the elon with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap really is likewise down in a sort of large manner. Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The elon is down to nearly 21% in the very most recent 7 days amazingly. The coin fundamentally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past sort of couple of days. The coin could basically have major areas of strength for especially yet. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in extremely present moment in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars Value Gauge 2024 facts. What will be Dogelon Mars exceptionally worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. The elon cost especially is estimated to generally arrive at a most extreme degree of dollars and $39 with least cost of dollars and $34 toward the finish of 2024. Does Dogelon Mars in a real sense have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Dogelon Mars in a real sense has an exceptional pretty potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, or so they generally thought. It really is figure that elon will increment in esteem